So Ann and I were over at Great Island Common, Newcastle Island earlier this afternoon, and noticed this tall sailing ship coming past Portsmouth Lighthouse. You just put the rear sail up. I believe this is the Ernestina-Morrissey, one of the ships that are going to be in the tall ship parade tomorrow. I think it starts at 10:30 at the mouth of the river, and they all sail up the river to around the Memorial Bridge. They have this ship and another tall sailing ship, and also the Coast Guard cutter Eagle. So quite a show. There's also a ton of little boats that go alongside, and the fire boats spraying water up into the air. So it's quite a show. If you've never seen it, I think it starts about 10:30 on Friday morning. So if you could, some good places to watch, or one would be Great Island Commons, another would be Four Tree Island, another would be Prescott Park in downtown Portsmouth. So if you're out and about and want to see a nice parade of sail, that's the place to be. Starting at 10:30 and sailing up the river. That's the Ernestina-Morrissey getting ready to pass Whaleback Lighthouse, which sits out in the mouth of Portsmouth Harbor. One of the two lighthouses that guide ships into our harbor. You can see this and two other tall ships tomorrow, starting at 10:30, right about here at the harbor mouth on Friday morning. They'll sail up the river to right around the Memorial Bridge. Should be quite a show. So if you're out and want to see a nice parade of sail, tomorrow's the time, and 10:30 is when it starts.